Hello my dear friends, this is another video, this time a bit of a random subject, but still related to cycling. It's washing bags. So if you are into washing your sporting garments, you probably know that the drum of the washing machine is steel, and thus it may damage the delicate fabrics of your sporting garments. So I've been searching for a good washing bag. It's called laundry bag or washing bag or whatever, and I stumbled upon this. So this is a really unique design. What I like about it, it's a triangular design of it, like a tea bag, fully plastic zipper. So this thing that runs on the zipper is plastic as well, so it's impossible for it to rust. Fine, nice mesh, really good quality of stitching. It costs next to nothing. Its price is $3 per two bags, two most common size, and it's being sold in IKEA in Australia, probably in other countries as well, I don't know. So yeah, really good find. It wasn't obvious at first, so I tried some big department stores, supermarkets and whatnot, and the only place that sells this in this particular design, I couldn't find them on eBay or Amazon, is IKEA. Really cheap, really good quality. I don't think that you can find anything better, at least on Australian market. Obviously, while I'm at it, I'll show you some other designs as well. So this is really small, steel frame. You could wash some helmet, bits in it, maybe something really small and delicate. Steel frame maintains the structure, but at the same time no good for the bibs because it's obviously way too small. You could use this basic design here. The mesh is, I think, a bit too big, so probably defeats the purpose a little bit. No zipper, so it could be a good thing, you know, you just run it like that, good, but it doesn't compare to those IKEA ones, so really recommend. I tried them a couple of times, they do work excellent,